Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the problem ISO and noting the game ID so fixes target the right title. Extract the ISO with 7-zip to view param. SFO and folder structure. This verifies corruption versus signing issues. Once you see param, SFO intact, copy the game ID and make a full backup. Do not overwrite the original. You need True Ancestor or a disk signer tool on your PC next. These let you re-sign or rebuild the ISO cleanly, which is the core fix. Now you rebuild the package and re-sign the contents so the PS3 accepts the image. First, ensure the PS3 game folder and usadir are in place. Restore missing icon 0, PNG and param, SFO with correct metadata. Then run True Ancestor or Disk Signer to apply valid signatures using the game ID you saved. This corrects encryption headers. Once signed, repack the folder into an ISO with ISO 9660 and UDF hybrid set. Finish by testing the newly made ISO on your PS3. You should see the game accepted or it will launch normally. If the console still flags it, make sure param. SFO matches expected values and timestamps. Mismatched metadata often triggers rejection. Once done, try resigning with a different tool or tweak ISO UDF version and block size. These settings affect how the PS3 reads the disk. If problems persist, revert to your backup and repeat the rebuild with one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.